presentation is about a snoring device called Silensor. My name is Dr. Neeta Patel at Cornerhouse Dental Care in Elstree, Hertfordshire. Many people snore, and for their spouses and partners it can be many sleepless nights. This device is worn at night and helps to keep the tongue forward, as it is the falling back of the tongue over the airway that causes the sounds of snoring. We take impressions of both the upper and lower jaw. A specialised dental laboratory constructs the device, and once fitted, it is worn each night. If you're interested in finding out more, please do call us on 020 8207 5707 and we can organise a consultation for you. Thank you for listening.